You guys can chill out here whenever you guys free, or you can sunbathing here. We are going for kayaking after this. We are in our room, but I cannot show because it's messy right now. What I want to show with you is the scenery. Can you see? Our journey so far still interesting and yet quite adventurous lah. Ada manusia kat belakang. Going into the cave. I'm not sure what is the name of this cave, but it is narrow. You have to be like extremely careful, and the stairs is very slippery. So this is the second room that we have to enter. Oh, that's a lot of people there. We are queuing, and a lot bigger. That is the end of our cave visit, and we have to mind our step here. That's why I am so slow. We really like Teletubbies here with colorful raincoat.
I am Lala in a phone.
I don't even remember the name. Where's your pocket?
You can see the future here.
This is what we're talking about, Halong Bay. Everyone just taking a stroll, seeing all this beauty. Cannot swim.
Why is it raining?
It's raining. Dip my foot at least. You want to bring back to Malaysia for some souvenir?
Yeah.
So cute. So how was the swim?
It was very nice.
It's warm?
Yeah, a little bit only.
Okay, this is our tour guide. Oh.
You bring my picture to the country.
This is our last day on the cruise. So we are going back to the land, transfer to the land after this. And we will transfer by our limousine van to Hanoi for 3 hours. 2 days on the cruise. It's been an amazing journey. This is my first time actually. It's quite expensive, but you know, it's an experience. I want to show you guys the view and the scenery. This is Halong Bay, and you guys can see so many cruise. They also have provided itineraries and activities to do. They have breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, and all of it is awesome. They have a lot of awesome food. We have prepared us some activities such as squid fishing, cooking class for their Vietnamese spring rolls. Visited the cave this morning. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to swim. I wanted to swim badly, but of course there are a lot more activities that you can do in this cruise. You can take picture all that you wanted. Yesterday we were kayaking. It was tiring, but it was fun. I am so gonna miss this experience. Cost us around 800 for 2 people, relatively 400 per person. What I can say is you have to try to make your trip on a cruise maybe at least once in your lifetime. It's not that expensive, but it's not that cheap.
You can choose, like, if you can see, show them the other cruise. I think ours is like average. Yeah, that cruise is on the higher side.
I am sure that this is more expensive, and I think it's for a couple who want to like honeymoon. Tomorrow we're going back to Malaysia and start to work again. Let's have some fun! We are at the Jiang Coffee. So this is the infamous egg coffee we ordered too. This is with chocolate and this is with coffee.
Tastes like coffee. I think for coffee lovers, they might like it. For me, I can drink it because it's not too bitter. But this one is really like too sweet. I think I love this more because it doesn't taste much coffee. Yeah, of course, obviously it's chocolate. Coffee. You really have to try it. 5 bucks. 25 bucks. Less than 5 minutes. Yeah.
We are now by airport right now on the way to Malaysia. Apparently semua extra bag kita bawa penuh.
I'm going to Australia. I'm gonna drink water and meet kangaroo.
You wanna skiing?
Scared.
Oh my god.